Welcome to our channel. Today we how to enable Home Assistant add-on for Z-Wave devices with Zooz. Detailed guide step by step clearly. To enable the Home Assistant add-on for Z-Wave devices with Zooz, first, open your Home Assistant interface. Navigate to the left-hand menu and click on Supervisor. In the Supervisor panel, select the Add-on Store option. Locate the Zooz Z-Wave add-on by searching in the store. Once you find the Zooz add-on, click on it to open its details page. Read through the description and requirements to ensure compatibility. Click on the Install button to begin the installation process. Wait for the installation to complete, which may take a few moments. After installation, you will be directed to the add-on details page again. Before starting the add-on, you will need to configure it. Scroll down to the configuration section. Here, input your preferred settings for the Z-Wave network. Ensure that you set the correct serial device path for your Zooz Z-Wave controller. You may refer to the documentation to find the appropriate path for your system. Once the configuration is complete, save your changes. Now, go back to the top of the page. Click on the Start button to enable the add-on. Wait for the add-on to start, which will take just a few seconds. Once the add-on is running, navigate to the Log section to monitor its activity. Check for any error messages or warnings to ensure everything is functioning correctly. If there are no issues, proceed to integrate your Z-Wave devices. Open the Integrations section from the Home Assistant dashboard. Click on the Add Integration button and search for Z-Wave. Follow the prompts to complete the integration of your Z-Wave devices. Once the devices are added, you can control them directly from the Home Assistant interface. Regularly check for updates to both Home Assistant and the Zooz add-on for optimal performance. Congratulations, you have successfully enabled the Home Assistant add-on for Z-Wave devices using Zooz. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.